Hi beautiful people, let me show you that what we are going to cover in this tutorial step by step.
In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add like this show more or load more images option on your gallery page. So if someone is going to click on here, show more, then they can see all the images. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can control the gallery images, how many images you just want to show the people on the gallery or the work you have done so far, and let the people to click on load more or the show more. So they, if someone is going to click on the suppose I have here show more, then they can view all other the images or the gallery or the work that you have done so far. So let me show you step by step how we can do that. So I am here on my website, and if I scroll down here, I just go to the this image, then I go to this one, and here I just want to show you. Here you can see if we scroll down, there are the more images. The gallery images are just loading. So we just want to control this. We just want to let the people to display only 8 or the 6 images, or whatever the images you want to display, and then they're going to see option to show more or the load more option. So they're going to click so they can view all other images. So how we can do that? For this, I'm using the Elementor. So we're going to click on edit with Elementor. And simply just go to the gallery. If you are using the gallery widget, then just go to this one, the pencil icon, and then scroll go to the advanced. I am using the gallery. It is the whatever the gallery actually you are using, no matter the basic one or you are just using this one. Let me show you. I'm using actually the Pro Elementor, this gallery, or the basic gallery, but this is going to work for the both. And in this video, I'm going to give the description below, so you can get the Elementor Pro free. So really, this is amazing feature you're going to get at the free of the cost. Okay, so let's go back to let's continue actually the video. So just click on this pencil icon and go to the advanced, and here we're going to scroll down here. Here you can see CSS class. So we're going to write here the CSS class, and I'm just going to give the CSS class and the script I'm going to add. So you just can copy from video description and just you can add on your website. So let me show you that. I have written the class. So I go to my here to the here I just going to the in the notepad I have written. So I'm just going to copy the class name from here. Just copy and then come here and just paste here the class. Okay, once it's done, what you have to do, just scroll down all the way. Here on the page, anywhere you can add HTML custom widget. So if I'm just going to click on the top here to go to the Elementor home widgets, click there, and here you have to write the HTML. And here we go. Here you're going to get the HTML or the code highlight, and this all features comes with Elementor Pro. Maybe you are using the free Elementor, so I'm just going to give the link below in the video. So you're going to watch that my video how you can unlock all the Pro widgets on your free version. So you're going to get the Pro on your website. And you can read out the comments, and the people they have just follow the video and unlock all the widgets. So what we have to do is we're just going to just drop here. Just take this one HTML tag widget, just stay and drop over the here wherever you want, just on the page. So I'm just going to add here. So here we're going to add the HTML code. So I have the script for this one. So I'm just going to copy, and this is this code also I'm going to give you in the video description, so you just can copy and paste. So I'm just going to copy this one, copy, and I'm just going to add here. And once we have added the class, and then here you can see it says let the gallery images to be displayed the show amount, how many other pages you just want to let the people show on the gallery page, or whatever the images you want to display. So here it is 9. Just I want to let the people to be people can see only 8, I think. Yeah, then I'm just going to click on to the update. Okay, so we're just going to click on preview the changes. And now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, here we go. So now we can let the people to see it, the images, and then if someone is going to click on the show more, so they can view more the gallery images or whatever the showcase you want to let the people to display. And as I have told you, this is all the things you can do with the Elementor Pro, and I'm going to give the link below in the description of this video so you can unlock the Pro widgets on your free Elementor. Thank you for watching this short video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And what else I have to say? Yeah, share with your friends so they can learn about the Elementor. And thank you so much for this video. Bye bye, take care, and see you in another tutorial.